On 16th October, that is yesterday, we received a call at 1 p.m. about a murder in Kaziwada area of Ponda. Immediately, teams reached the spot. FSL teams were called, dog squad was called, which examined the scene of crime. A case was registered on the complaint of Mr. Pritesh Kawat, who informed the police about murder of his mother, who is 75 years old, and his aunt was 65 years old. So the scene of crime was examined and all of the leads were developed. Based on technical analysis and collection of other evidence, the accused was identified who had committed this crime, and he was arrested. During interrogation, he confessed to the crime. We have already shared the details of the accused. His name is Mahadev Ghadi. He is 34 years old. He works in a private company in IDC Varna. During investigation, it revealed that he was familiar with the victim family for more than 10 years, and he used to come regularly and visit their house. He had taken a loan from deceased lady Jeevan Kamath, which for more than a year, which she was insisting him to return, but he didn't have the money to return that time, so he was buying some time. And yesterday also he came to their residence to discuss this loan issue. So during that discussion, there were some hot words were exchanged, and he attacked first the deceased lady whom he had taken loan from, Jeevan Kamath, and when her elder sister came to intervene, he attacked her also. As I said that he was known to the victim, so there was when we visited the scene of offence, we could make out that it was a friendly entry, so that the accused must have been known to the family. There was no forced entry in the house, so that gave us the first lead. That the accused must be known to the family.